Keys to a healthy relationship. Every relationship needs a strong foundation to stand on. Building a solid foundation for a healthy relationship requires effort, understanding, and compromise. Communication is key. It's important to be able to communicate effectively and respectfully. Both partners should have the opportunity to express their feelings openly and honestly. Trust and respect are essential components of a healthy relationship. It's important to trust your partner and respect their decisions and opinions. It's also important to have a mutual understanding between the two of you. This means that both partners should be able to understand each other's needs and wants. Compromise is another important part of a strong relationship. Both partners should be willing to make compromises to ensure that the relationship works. It's also important to be able to support each other. This means being there for each other in times of need and offering emotional support and understanding. Finally, it's important to have a sense of fun and adventure in your relationship. Having fun together and exploring new things can help keep the relationship fresh and exciting. Building a strong foundation for a healthy relationship takes time and effort, but it's worth it. A strong relationship can bring immense joy and satisfaction to both partners.